I got weight on my shoulders in the form of this beat. Ain't nothing sweet on the street for good ease. I could be black. No, we don't promote no guns, but don't turn that cheek. Yo, true that. Busta and Tip, you know we make mine spin. I caught the ill vibe bus.
Word tip.
Yo, word. The ill vibe bus.
Word tip.
Yo.
Getting breakfast for me and Reuben today. So we good for food? Today we are going to pancake. So this is where we're getting pancakes, and this is the line, and that line goes all the way inside. There's gonna be some waiting. So they just said wait times are no, 15. No. Half an hour. One and a half hours. So the reason why we came here is for this super fluffy pancakes. So we're getting quiche, corn soup, pancake, lychee tea, pie a la mode, and the hot souffle. So when you're sitting outside, they actually give us blankets. So you just put them down. So comfy. So good. So good. Reuben, how good was that? How good was that? How good was that? It's talking out of frame. Dude, that was actually so nice. The souffle. The souffle was amazing. The pancake was good. It was a good pancake. But it's the best pancake so. What is it called again? Ginza West? Ginza West. Give it a go. I keep bumping shoulders with you.
Stop doing.
Onwards to Ginza. Oh, are you okay? Are you okay? Yeah. Sorry, dude. Sorry, Reuben. Reuben, I am sorry. Reuben.
I will learn to forgive one day.
Reuben. So in Ginza, most shops are whole buildings. So you're not going to find one lot here, you're going to find a building for a shop. Yamaha. Oh my god. It's a cat! It's a cat! Reuben, you're gonna love this place. Wait for it. Cars! 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 Oh, it's an old Datsun. Apple... Quartet. Sorry, Reuben. Itoya. Reuben. It's also a whole building. What a surprise! To Kabukiza, which, as you guess, will probably have kabuki. It's also right there. Boop. I nearly smacked a girl with my hand. I won't use this. I promise you. I won't. Okay.
Our staff will tell you.
Okay, I won't.
Yeah.
Thank you. Dude, timing is so good.
Like it starts in 6 minutes.
What do you think?
I couldn't understand like it made no sense to me.
You can get the tone right.
But this one I have like absolutely no idea what is going on.
Oh, we end up on the house.
Do you want to eat over there?
Yeah, let's eat that. So this was the actor that we just saw. This one, was it this one? This one. Oh, this one. That's it. So she was on stage the whole 17 minutes. So they're all guys, and they're played by girls. Oh no, girls played by guys. Oh yeah! So for these, you order out of machine, give you a number, and then you just go collect it over there. That's it. We're going to Robot Restaurant. where all the strippers are.
Hands in the air, turn it up louder. We need the volume. Hands in the air, turn it up louder. We need the volume. Hands in the air.
So we're here at Robot Restaurant, just the entrance right here. Everyone's getting set up. I've got the ticket. That's all we need, and we just go there, get the tickets, and we head to opposite side where he is. Over there, and that's it. That's how we get to the show. It is insane here. Like, look at all the lights, everything. It's ridiculous. Everything's so over the top and crazy. It's insane. What are you, 75? Dude, we're at the front. So this is the setup. It's literally chairs lined up against the showroom floor, and they've literally just got us with tables. We're gonna have 2 hours of this. 2 hours.
I'm sick. I'm sick. I'm sick mentally. I'm sick physically.
Welcome to Robot Restaurant.
Best and the worst thing I've ever seen.
We got a good time. You are fine. A lot of people behind you pretty jealous.
So bad. Like, Ruben is like,
Please, you want to be
2 hours later, finally out, back on the street, after witnessing what was probably the most badly good thing ever.
I expected it to be fucked. And I went in and I didn't expect it to be good. I went in there and it was way more fucked than I thought it would be. But it was better than I thought it would be.
My rhymes create life like the birds and the bees. Make funk master flex, say, yo, I'm feeling me. Flows make your shit in your jaws, change your dungarees. Smoke trees, getting cotton